Hello guys, I'm back, about to do another mail time. I can't exactly remember, this might be my 5th mail time, I don't remember exactly, but, I'm back with another mail time. I've decided to start my beta then today. I do not have a lot of betas, I know, I only have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 betas. I did have a wood floor, but I just traded it for a overtrade, so I don't have that anymore. But, yeah, I decided to start in here today, so let's get started. Bag. Okay, I'll just leave it there. I have to go to that person's end afterwards. I'm gonna start at the top because it usually lags if I start at the bottom, but normally I start at the bottom. I'm just gonna start at the top to try and reduce lag this time. So this first one is from IndieBobXO. Said sorry for the late reply. Thank you for the wings. And they sent me a rare army helmet. Army helmet. Doesn't sound right. Okay, rare army helmet. Army helmet. Sorry. Okay. Moving on, next one's from the same person, and they sent me a scary mask. Thank you for the 2 gifts. Carrots554 sent me a rare big skull. I just got this in the Forgotten Desert team. Thank you, Carrots. Shopkin CP sent me rare dragonfly wings. Thank you. Storming Seas said fine. And they sent me a moon necklace. Thank you very much. Vetier said thank you. And sent me a rare warm blanket. You know, you'd actually think those would be worth more than a warm blanket, but they're actually not. But anyways, thank you very much for the rare warm blanket. I can't tell. Magic Wolf Dog 9 sent me a flower bracelet. Thank you. Arctic Unicorn 10 said hola and sent me a vampire mask. That'd be good for Halloween. Anyways, thank you. Unicorn 98989 said here's a random gift and sent me a Culver book. Thank you for that. Kawaii Cat 1304 said wrist and sent me ferocious feline fur. Thank you. That used to be in very high demand. I'm not sure if it is anymore, but anyways, thank you very much still. Pepper Rock 16 said fine and sent me a giant gummy bear. Yeah, I like those. Bunny 53861 sent me a poopy rug. Ooh, this poopy rug has a face on it. Yes, thank you very much. Wolf37 said okay and sent me rare snowshoes. Thank you, that's good for making it snow. Sunsea the Wolf sent me a small hail bait. Thank you. New Jammer sent me a rare flowered cake. Thank you very much, New Jammer. Sorry guys, I gotta answer. This is my sis. I asked her what this was called that you record on, and I can tell her now. Probably a second. Sorry, just gotta ask her back. Message her back. Okay, sorry for that interruption. Anyway, let's pick up where we left off at. Bus stop. Okay, that's a cool name. Said here and sent me a sunset beach towel. Ooh, that's a really pretty towel. Thank you. Turtle Taco 1234. I like this username too. Sent me a firefly necklace. Thank you. Why is this still something? Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay. Sheba 1717 sent me a head flower. Buddy's dad just spammed me with gifts because they wanted to trade for my art. I don't know what they thought was going to make me trade for my art. I spammed with gifts, but let's see what they do. They gave me rare homemade wings. Buddy's dad 123. Sent me that, and you sent me a Zeus mask. Thank you. And we sent me a cat hat. Thank you very much. Buddy's dad. Skylar the Wolf 25 sent me 2 gifts. They sent me Baloosh. I like saying that too. Baloosh, which I don't really use music that often, but I can trade for it because some people want music. So thank you, that still helps. And they said please give me back. I'm pretty sure I did. And sent me rare butterfly glasses. Thank you. Bella for Love 4 said, I know it's not much, but thank you for liking my gamer wall. And he sent me a sweet pea. Thank you. I don't think that's his girlfriend. I'm a sweet pea. Anyways, I was collecting these, but I already had this one. But thank you very much. I do collect these birthstone collection in these birthstone flowers and birth month flowers. I don't know what it's called, something like that. But thank you for the sweet peas. Wolfie Cute 1234 sent me leprechaun shoes. Those are cool. Meow Cat Meow 12345 said XD okay here. And sent me another head flower. I already got another head flower. Thank you for the head flowers. I Talented Monster sent me a rare old hood. Thank you. Sasha 07519 sent me rare mammoth tusks. Thank you. Emma 66128 sent me Holly wristband. I think that's in like small. Sparkle Kitty 9000 sent me goggles. I've never seen before. Pineapple without the E's 5 sent me another head flower. Oh my god, what the heck is it with these head flowers? Thank you, and I've gotten all different colors too. Thank you for that. Amatrix sent me a rare spiked wristband. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys don't even know how much this is. Oh my gosh. I literally think this is the most spikes someone has sent me in the meantime. Oh my gosh. Who the heck sent me this, and why did a random jammer send me this? I'm not even kidding. What is it with these nice people? Why is people so nice to send random people rare spiked wristbands? Okay, you guys don't even know. This has been sitting in my mail for about 4 weeks now. I know a party let stuff sit in his mail for like a year, but this is like, oh my gosh, a green spiked wristband, like, oh my gosh. This person is nice, and I have to give them something back. I'm literally not kidding right now. Oh my gosh. They are so nice. Literally, I'm literally not even kidding. I'm buddying them for sure. And I'm sending this back later, guys. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Amatrix. You shout out to them. Go gift them for gifting me that. Like, what's all I took you good stuff, but like, seriously, no one has been sent me that before. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Anyways, moving on. Just thank you very much again. Flower Girl Nice 6 said, hope you like it, and sent me a rose gardening hat. Yes, I do. Wait, rare gardening hat. Alright. Yeah, I do like those, actually. I really do like these. Bunny Buddy BB sent me a neon spike collar. You guys sent me spikes today? Like, I don't know, but like, I don't know about you guys, but like, this is actually really good. Like, I know neon spike collars are like Kobe made or something, but like, this is actually really good. But on another huge shout out because it's a spike, I'm like getting all worked up for this. Like, yeah, people like, really, thank you, Buddy. It's gonna be a tongue twister. Bunny Buddy BB. Second spike in the mail. I'm going to count this as a spike because it's a spike, so thank you very much also for that. Thank you very much. Anyways, Phoenix, I guess it should be Phoenix, but it's not. It's like Phoenix Dragon 84 said, hi guys, because we're doing Mailbox time, so said, hi guys, is that your flower crown? Oh my gosh, I literally can't right now. Why is this such a good mail time? Oh my god, I'm literally getting rich on gifts. Oh my gosh, I swear, guys. Okay, I'm gonna look at this. This was like a den beta, but it's in high demand. And this is literally the color I wanted. Oh my god, I'm like literally not even right now. I'm literally hyperventilating. This is like the best day. I'm gonna start guessing, guys. Oh yeah. I know you guys can't see me, but I'm gonna feel like guessing. Oh yeah. I'm like dabbing and stuff. Sorry if I'm being rude. I'm actually like, you guys don't even understand. This means so much to me. Like, you don't even understand. I got hacked of my red long. I have probably gotten a black long back in gifts. I'm literally not even kidding. Not hacked, scammed of red long a while ago. I literally could have made up for it for like a black long. I'm literally not even kidding. This dude is so nice. Amatrix is so nice. The dude sent me respect. Damn, like, means my color is so nice. Like, why are people saying being so nice? My sister's spending the night at Jaden's house tonight, and I wish she could be right here, sitting here, because she'd be like, she'd be like so happy. So I'm like, what the heck? Why are people just being nice out of no reason? I mean, I shouldn't be, like, surprised, but I am because we're evil. And when people don't just send me stuff like this, these people are genuinely nice. Like, what the heck? Like, I picked some good people. Okay, thank you very much, Phoenix Dragon. I'm saying something back too. Just because that was in high demand. You're not my buddy. What the crap? You're being my buddy. Yes. You better accept that too, because I love you. I love all of you, really. Okay, gotta keep going. We only got 15 minutes, and we're like at 10 right now, so I gotta put my speeder on a little bit. Space J sent me, brain helmet. Ooh, that looks weird. I mean that in a bad way, but I'm just like, yeah, okay. Looks like Inky sent me a couple gifts. Oh, it's like 1 NKYS sent me a necklace. Wow, that's really nice. Thank you, that does help. I said anything helps, so I have the same colors. Are there gonna be necklaces? Oh my gosh, it's so funny actually. I don't even care much. I'm so happy about other stuff. I don't actually care about necklaces. And a necklace! Well, they're all different colors, but thank you. That actually helps because those are good for gems, and those help me, so thank you. If you guys think that those don't help, they do, okay? Just letting you know, they do. They actually help. Any gift helps. I forgot to say something. Oh, Rukenya sent me a crystal bluff. Thank you. Oh, guys, I'm actually getting the membership in a couple days. Membership expires in like 3 days. I'll be doing this, but if I wasn't, I'd have to read it. I can actually trade this. Thank you. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to hurry now because I have like 2 minutes left, and I have like 13 gifts left, so I'm going to hurry. It's a party. Oh, I see what they did. It's a party. It's a party. It's not like it's a party. And they sent me a moon necklace. Thank you. And I'm trying to hurry, guys. Sorry for the hurry. I should have been taking so long on this. Holly654321 sent me rare baseball plates. And I said, I like that trend. Okay, I'm talking about liking that trend. Jojo Pusheen 0914 cents. Said thanks, here you go, and sent me a rare blanket. Spirit 1717. Happy mailbox time. You doing it? Yes, I am. They sent me an Arctic amulet. Thank you. Roxy 1198 said please give back other, and he sent me a rare time necklace. That was I need a life 0012. Haha, so here dude, please go to Edgy Wolf Plays and hit the bell. Sent me a wing collar, thank you. And these are my autos. Oh yeah guys, I'm Bagel's buddy. Cheese! Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I actually ended in time, which I didn't think I would. Shout out to those people who gifted me stuff, which I already stopped, and I acknowledge you. And shout out to everybody. Everybody who gifted me is awesome, and I love you all. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment down. No, don't comment. Why don't you comment? I mean, you can comment if you want to, but like, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and I keep saying comment. You can comment, but that's not what I'm trying to say. Like it and subscribe. Okay, there we go. Like it and subscribe. And you guys can feel free to send me gifts anytime, because I'll basically always be saving up to do a mailbox time. So you guys can basically gift me stuff at any point, and you don't have to, but like just saying, I'll basically be doing a mailbox time like every time I get gifts. So I mean, you can basically always send me stuff. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, I'm sorry I overreacted and got a little weird in the middle. But anyways, thank you for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you soon for another mailbox time or another video. I don't know what I'll be doing, but see you next time, I guess. Peace out. Bye.